Hmm. Hi, parrot.
Hey, Dad.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I can see my mom feeding a parrot.
So, Dad, can you notice what is this?
I don't know what is this.
This is a parrot.
It's a parrot.
Yeah? You never watched the video from Peppa? He got a parrot named Polly the parrot.
How is the parrot?
Now Polly the parrot is real life.
Real life. Oh. Hi, parrot.
Hey, Dad.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I can see my mom feeding a parrot.
So, Dad, can you notice what is this?
I don't know what is this.
This is a parrot.
It's a parrot.
Yeah? You never watched the video from Peppa? He got a parrot named Polly the parrot.
How is the parrot?
Now Polly the parrot is real life.
Real life. Oh. The parrot, you are real life now.
Yeah, but it's not same as the video.
Oh, not same as the video.
Yeah? As Peppa Pig. He's not same as the video as Peppa Pig.
Ah.
I'm trying to feed this.
The parrot like this?
Yeah?
What are you feeding?
I don't know.
It's a
He
crop.
loves it.
It's a crop.
Yeah? He wants more.
He wants more.
Yeah?
He wants more and more.
Yeah? Because he's super hungry.
Super hungry.
Yeah?
Hey, parrot, are you super hungry?
I think he said yes.
He said yes.
Yeah?
You know, he said yes.
Yeah, he doesn't say no. He say yes.
He said yes.
Oh, he wants to eat more. He wants to eat more and more and more.
More and more and more.
Yeah?
The parrot can talk.
No, he
Can I-
only can talk super, super, super tiny.
Super, super, super tiny.
Come on, parrot, you can do it.
Can I make whistle?
He loves it. No, he can't sound like that.
Oh,
Oh, he wants more.
he wants more.
Yeah, he wants more and more. Oh, he's pulling this.
You following this?
Oh, one of them is dropping down in the sand. Oh, I'm tickling him. I'm tickling him.
You're tickling him.
He's pulling. He's pulling.
Oh, falling.
Pulling. Pulling.
Oh, falling. Already done. Already done.
No, he still wants more.
He still wants more.
Yeah,
He don't get enough food.
he's still hungry though.
Still hungry.
Yeah. Oh, so many dropping down.
So many dropping.
Yeah.
It's just asking, mom. How to make sound?
He still wants more.
Still wants more. Just
Yeah.
wait. I will bring you.
Oh, Dad,
Hmm?
make sure I don't touch the parrot
Why?
because it's kind of dangerous.
So dangerous?
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Oh.
Oh, he loves it. Dad,
Hmm.
he loves so many of them.
So many?
Yeah, he still wants so many of them. Oh. He loves it, Dad.
The parrot good or naughty?
He's kind of hungry though still.
Hungry. So hungry.
Yeah, super hungry.
Super hungry.
Super whooper gooper hungry.
Super duper hungry.
Alright. After a few days, the parrot loves it, but he still loves it. Come on, come on.
The parrot is good.
Yeah, he loves it.
What's the parrot?
He said, "Thank you for giving me."
Thank you for giving me some food.
He He's like trapped in a cage.
Now in a trap, in a cage.
Yeah, he loves it.
He loves it.
Yeah,
How much?
100 million.
100 million loves.
Yeah, he wants more and more and more.
He wants more and more and more.
Yeah, he loves it.
You don't get more food. Enough food?
Still wants more.
Still wants more.
Yeah, his stomach's gonna get big. He still wants more.
Hey, parrot. What's your name, parrot?
I think his name Polly the parrot.
Polly the parrot.
Yeah, it's Polly the parrot.
Can you talk with me, parrot?
You don't know what you're talking about.
What are you talking about? You don't know.
No,
Why?
because he's eating.
He's eating.
He's busy eating.
He's so busy.
Yeah,
So be super duper busy.
yeah, and he's super duper hungry.
Super duper hungry.
Busy and hungry.
Busy and hungry.
Yeah, he's super busy and hungry.
Super busy and hungry.
Come on. Oh, stretch.
Super hungry and duper hungry.
Super hungry wongy.
Super hungry monkey. And if this bird is naughty or good,
He loves it.
he loves it.
He still wants more.
Still wants more.
Yeah.
Maybe. Hey, what do you say, Duck? Mr. Duck?
I think that. Shut up.
Shut up.
Ooh, he loves it. It's like a tree.
It's like a tree.
Yeah, it's kind of look like a tree.
And look like a tree.
Yeah. Shiki, 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 wiki.
Sicky, shicky, sicky, wicky.
Like huggy wuggy.
Huggy wuggy.
Dad,
Hmm.
I know I love Sonic and Huggy Wuggy.
Huggy wuggy.
Not Huggy, no Huggy Wuggy.
Oh no. Maybe I wrong.
Or he still wants more.
So once more.
Yeah.
Hey, parrot. Parrot.
He's super busy.
Super busy.
Yeah,
Hey, oh no. Carefully, man.
he's like, give me more.
Give me more sample.
Give me more. Give me more food. I think he said, give me more food.
Give me more food.
I think he's the king.
He's the king.
Yeah,
How to know he's the king?
because he loves food.
He loves food.
Yeah, that's why he's the king. He loves it. Come on, little parrot. You so
Come on, little parrot.
You can eat it.
You can eat it more and more.
He's
Because your stomach is so
hungry.
hungry.
Oh, I keep giving. I keep giving.
I keep giving him more and more food.
Come on, parrot. You can do it. You are a good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, eat. He still wants more.
Still wants more.
Yeah. Come on, parrot. You can eat.
Come on, parrot.
Come on. You can eat them all. Don't drop them. Just keep dropping them.
Dropping them. Just asking.
He's like, give me more food. I just want more food. Holy crap. He still wants more.
Still wants more.
Yeah. Come on, Barry. After 28 seconds later, holy crap, he still wants more.
Still wants more.
Yeah. I'm gonna wrap it around like that, yeah. Yeah. Now we can eat. No, come on. Come on, Strange.
Hey, parrot, how much eating are you?
I think he's saying 100.
100. It's saying 100.
Yeah. He's eating so many of them.
Hey, parrot, you still now hungry?
Yeah, he's still hungry.
Still hungry?
Yeah. Here, eat some, eat some, eat some. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Okay, say bye-bye, parrot.
He don't want to say bye-bye.
Don't want to say bye-bye.
Yeah,
Why?
because he still wants more.
Still wants more.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to watch my used shirts and TikToks and everything in my pants. So make sure get that hoodie and clothes and everything. And I will see you in the next video. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.